Welcome to Wildscope, your window into the hidden wonders of the natural world. Today we're diving into the fascinating intelligence of one of the most misunderstood creatures around, the crow. Crows are everywhere. From city parks to rural forests, these black-feathered birds are a common sight. Yet beneath their glossy feathers lies a remarkable brain and an astonishing set of skills that rivals even primates. In fact, many scientists now consider crows to be among the most intelligent animals on Earth. But what makes crows so smart? How do they think, learn, and survive in environments so complex that many animals struggle? Join me as we explore the secret world of crows and discover why they are far smarter than you might think. The brain behind the feathers. At first glance, a crow's brain might seem small, especially when compared to larger mammals. However, what matters most is not size, but complexity and structure. Crows belong to a family of birds called corvids, which also includes ravens, jays, and magpies. Corvid brains have a high density of neurons packed into their forebrains, the part responsible for complex behaviors such as problem-solving, planning, and social interaction. To put it into perspective, a crow's brain has about as many neurons as a primate brain of similar size. This dense packing allows crows to perform incredibly complex tasks that were once thought possible only for mammals with larger brains. Tools, tricks, and problem solving. One of the clearest signs of crow intelligence is their ability to use tools. Unlike most animals, crows don't just use objects in their environment. They modify and create tools tailored for specific purposes. In New Caledonia, a small island in the Pacific, a species called the New Caledonian crow has been observed fashioning hooked sticks to fish insects out of tree bark. What's even more fascinating is that they sharpen and shape these tools with precision, showcasing an understanding of cause and effect. This is not just a random act of trial and error. Experiments show that crows can solve multi-step puzzles that involve using one tool to get another, and then using that second tool to retrieve food. Such behaviors require foresight, planning, and understanding of physical properties, skills once thought exclusive to humans and some primates. Crows also possess exceptional memories, especially when it comes to recognizing faces. In one groundbreaking study, researchers wore different masks while trapping and tagging wild crows. The birds quickly learned to associate certain masks with danger. Years later, even after the researchers stopped trapping them, the crows and their offspring aggressively reacted to those specific masks. This indicates not only individual memory, but also social transmission, the ability to teach others and pass knowledge through generations. Social intelligence and culture. Crows live in complex social groups where communication, cooperation, and competition are essential for survival. Their social intelligence is remarkable. They hold funerals for dead crows, gathering around the body to call out loudly, a behavior believed to warn others of potential threats. Crows can also deceive and manipulate other animals, including humans, to protect themselves or secure food. Moreover, evidence suggests that crows have culture, learned behaviors and traditions passed from generation to generation. These can include unique calls, feeding techniques, and tool use, which differ between groups much like human cultures. Urban survivors. Crows have adapted exceptionally well to city life, displaying flexibility and innovation. In urban areas, they use cars to crack nuts by placing them on roads and waiting for passing vehicles to break the shells. Then, once the light turns red, they swoop down to collect their prize. They learn from each other, quickly spreading new behaviors throughout their communities. This rapid cultural evolution is a testament to their intelligence and social learning capacity. What can we learn from crows? The intelligence of crows challenges long-held beliefs about animal cognition. They show us that brain size isn't the only measure of intelligence, and that problem-solving and social skills can evolve in many forms. Studying crows helps scientists understand how intelligence develops and adapts in different environments. It also sheds light on the evolutionary pathways that led to complex cognition in animals, including humans. Conclusion. Next time you see a crow perched silently nearby, remember, you're looking at one of nature's smartest creatures. With their tool-making skills, sharp memories, and social sophistication, crows are not just survivors, they're thinkers, planners, and innovators. Thanks for watching Wildscope. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing intelligence of crows, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more incredible wildlife stories, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Stay curious and see you next time.